Going on YouTube? Just doing some extra credit that I got in my digital logic class, building me up an electronic Christmas tree. Got me some LEDs over here, some capacitors, and some, I don't know what these are, let me look. They are transistors. Yeah. Just doing some extra credit. Soldering iron out there. Solder. That's what I got done so far. Pretty easy, but got the window open so the smoke detector don't go off. So, but oh well. Figured I'd just make a little quick video because I was bored and had nothing better to do. Anyway, see y'all later. Techmaster 170 out.